Light is necessary for the vision. Also, light is necessary for the reflection for the image, as you see. This is example of reflection. This not only, it's animal, it's move, and see its image on the plane mirror. The image here, as you see, same size, upright. This is only, it means we have two dogs? No, it's one, but the image is virtual image. Oh, there is another one. The distance between the object and mirror equals the distance between the image and the mirror. Also, what happens if you make a line between them? Directly we say the line between them perpendicular on reflecting surface. It's great. The angle between object and mirror, incidence angle, equals the angle between image and mirror. It means reflected angle. Both are equal. This is the first law of reflection. It's great. I need another application. Yes, concave mirror. Formation of the image by concave mirror depending on what? Depended on the distance between the image and the mirror. This, if you imagine, we have a principal axis passes through the concave mirror. This principal axis, it has three main points, P, F, and C. What happens if the object away of the concave mirror? Do you think how we can catch this? It's very easy. The image is formed, as you see, the image of candle inverted. Oh, when it's closed, will be bigger. Also inverted. Close it more. There is no image. It means in infinity. My question, what happened? It becomes magnitude now. I can say, for this case, the formation of the image in concave mirror depending on the distance of the object. Behind C is the image between F and C, inverted and real image. It's very important. On C, on center of curvature, directly image on center of curvature also. If it's between F and C, the image behind C will be inverted, real image, and magnified. If it's closed to the point F, do you think what happened? Where is the image? No image, because the image in infinity. If it's closed more, the image here will be magnified, virtual. This is all. Let's fly to the wonderful point. It's space. Oh, I talk about space. Human dream to explore space. He tried to invent specific machines to help him to do that. What we do, the first one directly we say, aeroplane. Aeroplane help him to escape to clouds, then to outer space. But we need something more fast than this aeroplane. Do you think what this thing? We can say the development machines for fastest one and important one, and we can say it's rocket. Rocket, the fastest machine which help us to explore space. Let's see what happened. In the beginning, the rocket burned a lot of the fuel. This fuel is very important to help it to escape. Today's rockets are remarkable collection of the human that have their roots in science and technology. Of the past, there is no that. They are the natural outgrowth of literally thousands of years of experiment and researches. Directly we say researches about the rocket. Also researches about the rocket propulsion. In 18th century, the scientific foundation for the modern rocket. After that, the 20th century, American repute tried to be more. Conducted practical experiment in rocketry. It depending on achieving high altitude to be more lighter than balloon. Inventing rockets leads to discovering the laws of launch. It means how can be away and escape. NASA become activate agency with the goal of the peace for the fuel exploration of the space for the benefit of all humankind. How can that? Rockets, the fastest machines to travel to the space. It's a huge and fast enormous machine. It has many shapes, as you see. It carries amount of the fuel, so it's huge and contains about 5 engines. Why? To help it to be thrust from the Earth's gravity. It's great. Do you think what is the speed of this rocket? The speed is here nearly to the speed of the light. It means very fast for discovering the cosmic space. How we can discover this space? The fuel burn a lot of the fuel and increase speed and acceleration. Why? To escape from the Earth's gravity. When it escaped, they decrease after time to half of the light speed. Then, after time, a period, it will be about 90% of the light speed. It's very fast. This is only, no, the fastest increase and the speed increase. It rotates around the solar system. It needs about 2 hours to rotate around the Earth. After time, the ship will stop its speed and the speed now 99% of the speed of the light. It's great and wonderful. Oh my God. We know that the spaceship need about 8 years. Do you know why? To complete the rotation around the galaxy. The ship rotates around different planets and land on them, sending discoveries to the Earth from its benefit. These ships controlled by computer from the Earth. This is one of its important to discover strange universe. Soon, many people and machines were being launched into space. I need to travel there. Do you want that? Yes, but astronauts orbited the Earth and landed on the moon. Oh, it's great. Robot spacecraft travel to the planets. Space was suddenly opened up to exploration and commercial exploration. Satellites also enable scientists to investigate our world forecast, the weather and the communication around the globe since the earliest day. This is of the discovering of the experiment of the rocket have evolved formation for the simple gunpowder devices into gained vehicle capable of the traveling into outer space. Rockets have opened to the universe to direct exploring by the humankind. What about and what is the great of the wonderful? Human all time looking for discovering space. From the past till now, we need to travel to space. When I look at the space, stars, universe,